So my hubby thinks that he can make a comeback with the relaxed hair situation. What do you think? If you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. HairObsess Jay C here, always on the Hair Obsessed journey to long relaxed hair. On this channel, you'll be seeing how I'm trying to grow my hair long. So I just really wanted to come back and talk to you guys about my decision. So the hubster will not be touching all this because we don't know what we're doing. I'm sure you guys have seen my last relaxer update with a hubster trying to help me. I'm now suffering from underprocessed hair. So the hubster will not be doing the correction. I have decided to go visit the hair salon. It's now been 6 weeks since I've done that underprocessed relaxed hair. And so what I'm going to do is visit the salon. The lady's going to assess the hair, analyze it to see what she can do. Now, something else that I wanted to tell you guys is that I'm suffering from a lot of dryness, brittleness, and now I'm having split ends. So as you guys have seen, I've done a few moisturizing treatments, but it seems as if although I've been doing that, I also have done a hot oil treatment twice, and I'm still suffering from dryness. So this is the first time I'm dealing with underprocessed hair, and it has been very difficult trying to maintain the hair, trying to retain as much length as I can. So this is a little setback on my end. I believe after she analyzes the hair, she's going to notice that she has to cut or clip some of the ends. So that's what I'm not looking forward to. In January, I mentioned that I was going to try and grow the hair about here in 6 months. So this is a minor setback. Let's see what happens on my next relaxer update, and I hope that I'm not going to have to cut all the hair and go back down to a pixie cut, because that would be a major setback. So this is just a little update. I just wanted to let you guys know what's been happening, what all I've been doing, all the deep conditioning treatment. And the first thing I did after my last relaxer update was a deep conditioning treatment, a protein deep conditioning treatment, and that was a disaster. Did you see how the hair was just dry? I looked weird. And then after that, I started doing a few moisturizing treatment, and yet the hair is still dry and brittle. And now the hair is coming out from where the demarcation line is, and this is what I'm dealing with. So thanks to all of you guys who've been helping me, who've been suggesting to me things that I can do to help maintain the hair. But it's now 6 weeks, and I have decided that I am going to go to the hair salon and let them do their thing. So that's what I wanted to come out and tell you guys about. So forget about the hubby. Forget it. He won't be doing the correction. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like it, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.